Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Alif Rasya Raditya, and today I would like to read this story, poem, and tongue twister. The first one is story. Baby caterpillar was tired. All summer long, she had been traveling slowly through the green world where she lived, and feeding on the green leaves that grew near her home. Now autumn had come and Mother Nature had given a holiday to the leaves, who put on their new dresses of red and gold and played with the breezes. Baby caterpillar wanted to play, too, but could not run so fast as the happy little leaves, and she grew very tired and thought she would take a nap. So she found a cozy place among the branches of grapevine and made herself a soft, silky blanket. Then she rolled herself away within it, and then in her queer little cradle went to sleep. One night, late in the fall, Jack Frost came over the hill. He spied the cradle swinging to and fro, and began to play roughly within, for he is a roguish little fellow and touches everything that comes in his way. But the warm blanket hid the little sleeper so that Jack could not find her. By and by King Winter came, bringing beautiful snow blankets to Mother Nature Flower's babies. He gently rocked a cradle as he passed and whispered, "Sleep, baby, sleep. You have no need of my blankets." At last spring came with the sunbeams, the best and merriest of mothers helpers. They awoke the flowers from their long winter nap, and called to the birds and the brooks to begin their songs. When they come to the little brown kettle, they stop to rest. Baby caterpillar began to get very warm under the thick blanket. She woke up and stretched herself, and her cradle broke, and she came out to greet the spring. But what a change! Instead of the old dingy dress that she went to sleep in, she now had a beautiful yellow one, and instead of crawling among the leaves, she flew up away into the sweet spring air with the sunbeams and flowers, and the little children called her a butterfly. Okay, part 2. I will read this poem. Billet does not rhyme with ballad. Bouquet, wallet, mallet, shallot, blood and flood are not like food, nor is wood like shot and wood. Fiscus, viscount, lot and broad, toward to forward to reward. And your pronunciation is okay when you correctly say croquet, rounded, wounded, grave and sieve, friend and fin, alive and live, ivy, privy, famous, clamor, and anama rhyme with hammer, river, rifle, tomb, bomb, comb, doll and roll and some and home. Stranger does not rhyme with anger, neither does devour with clangor. Souls but souls, hound but towns, fonts, fronts, wants, grants, and grants. Shoes, goes, does. Now first say finger, and then say singer, ginger, linger, real, zeal, mauve, goes, gouge, marriage, foliage, mirage, age. Quarry does not rhyme with very, nor does fury sound like berry. Dost, lost, pause, and doth, cloth, loth, job, knob, bosom, transom, oath. Though the differences seems little, we say actual but fictional. River does not rhyme with diva. Fulva does and ziva, hiva, mint, pint, senate, and sedate. Tool, bull, George, eight late, cynic, Arabic, Pacific, since, conscience, scientific. Liberty, library, heave and heaven, Rahel, egg, moustache, 11, We say hello it, but allow it. People, leopard, toe, vote, mark the differences moreover between mover, cover, clover, leeches, breeches, wise, precise, selfish, but polish and lies, camel, constable, unstable, principal, disciple, label, petal, panel, and canal, wait, surprise, blades, promise, pal, worm and storm, chase, chaos, chair, senator, spectator, major, tour, but hour and succor, for, gas, alas, arcanas, sea, idea, Korea, area, psalm, Maria, but malaria, youth, south, southern, cleanse and clean, doctrine, turpentine, marine. Compare alien with Italian, then the lion with battalion, Sally with Ellie, yeah, I, a, way, and key, say ever, but ever, favor, neither leisure, skein, deceiver, heron, granary, canary, cursive, and device and array. Part 3. In slow mode, how much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chuck his wood as much as he could and chuck as much wood as a woodchuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood. Normal mode, how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chuck his wood as much as he could and chuck as much wood as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood. Fast mode, how much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chuck his wood as much as he could and chuck as much wood as a woodchuck chuck if he could chuck wood. Okay, number 2. In slow mode, can into an uncannot, can like a canner, can a cannot, can into an uncannon cat. Normal mode, can a cannot, can into an uncannon, can like a canner, can a cannot, can into an uncannon can. Fast mode, can a cannon, can into an uncannon, can like a canner, can a cannon, can into an uncannon can. Okay, number 3. In slow mode, silly, sally, swiftly, shoot, 7 silly sheep. The 7 silly sheep, silly, sally, shoot, silly, shelly, sooth. These sheep shouldn't sleep in a shack. Sheep should sleep in the shed. Normal mode, silly, sally, swiftly, shoot, 7 silly sheep. The 7 silly sheep, silly, sally, shoot, silly, sally, sooth. These sheep shouldn't sleep in a sack. Sheep should sleep in the shed. Okay, fast mode, silly, sally, swift, shoot, 7 silly sheep. The 7 silly sheep, silly, sally, shoot, silly, sally, sooth. These sheep shouldn't sleep in the sack. Sheep should sleep in the shed. Okay, number 4. In slow mode, all I want is a proper cup of coffee made in a proper pot. I may be off my dot, but I want a cup of coffee from a proper coffee pot. Normal mode, all I want is a proper cup of coffee made in a proper coffee pot. I may be off my dot, but I want a cup of coffee from a proper coffee pot. Fast mode, all I want is a proper coffee made in a proper coffee pot. I may be off my dot, but I want a cup of coffee from a proper coffee pot. Okay, the last, number 5. In slow mode, amidst the mist, the coldest frost, with stoutest race and loudest boast. He thrusts his fist against the post, and still insists he sees the ghost. Normal mode. Amidst the mist and coldest frost, with stoutest wrist and loudest boast, he thrusts his fist against the post, and still insists he sees the ghost. Fast mode. Amidst the mist, the coldest frost, with stoutest wrist and loudest boast, he thrusts his fist against the post, and still insists he sees the ghost. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.